to be going to the gym. I don't know exactly what I'm going to work on yet. I think I'm going to work on either back and buys or legs. Last time I went to the gym was 2 days ago, and I did I did triceps and a little bit of chest. Before we go to the gym, aka me, Nikki, Jaden and Matthew, we're all gonna go grab a coffee. Before we do that, I need to get this sussed out. I'm gonna have a quick shower, and then I'll talk you through my skincare routine, which I do barely ever, but like, I don't know, I feel like pampering myself today, so. Sipping on an up and go right after brushing your teeth is crazy, and I'm not about to pretend it isn't. So for my skincare, I do that in air quotes because I rarely ever do my skin. I wash my face, but I don't really have a dedicated skincare routine. I'm gonna start with the Ordinary caffeine solution just to make my eyes look more awake. If you guys know me at all, I am not a morning person. Never have been, never fucking will be, but I hear a pigeon outside and that is making me very happy. Pigeons are my favorite bird. They're known as rats of the sky, but I absolutely love rats and I love pigeons, so call me weird. Listen to him. He's just outside. Next, I'm going to take the Buffet Copper Peptides 1% solution. And look how cool this is, you guys. It's blue. It's so cool. I'm just gonna pop this literally everywhere on my face. I love my little pigeon friend. What should we call him? We're gonna call him Pidge, for obvious reasons. Now we're gonna take the Ordinary hyaluronic acid, and then I'm just gonna pop this under my eyes. Also, I have a little trick for you guys who want nice, hydrated, juicy lips. You're gonna wanna get some on your hand, like so, and put it over your lips. I saw a skincare guy, or a dermatologist, talk about this, and it's pretty much gonna like plump your lips and keep them extremely moisturized and looking really voluptuous and nice. But while that's like setting in, you're gonna want to take some Vaseline. Okay, trust me on this. You're just gonna want to take like a little glob and pop that over your lips. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna actually lock in that moisture, and it's gonna act as a really nice hydrating lip balm for the day. I know you could probably just use a normal lip balm, but it makes my lips just feel and look amazing. So yeah guys, that's literally my skincare routine. Pretty much just put a bunch of oil on my face. But now we do actually need to get into the nitty-gritty of my makeup, because I go to the gym with makeup on to make myself feel good about myself at the gym. It gives me so much more confidence.
Just asked my girlfriend. I figured it was just these deep fried memes that I see on Instagram all the time. I don't know how
the
this
shit that kids watch on YouTube makes no sense.
Issues that we were having on Monday, all day yesterday, and then redid a bunch of the set stuff and everything, so it's still a work in progress, like I told you all.
Okay, so the makeup's done. My hair is a bit of a mess. Look at that. That looks crazy. But honestly, it's not bad enough to the point where I need to spend another 30 minutes to an hour styling it. So I'm just gonna leave it as is, guys. Because I'm going to the gym, I'm gonna be messing it up anyway. Look at this ridiculous little girl. She's camouflaging into the floor.
Look at you. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jenny?
Before I leave for the gym, I wanted to actually give you guys a mini haul. I recently shopped from Keep That Pump, the brand. If you haven't heard of them, they are a pretty diverse gym wear brand, I would say. They do stuff for men and women. They also sell a bunch of gym equipment too, which is fun. They've got such a versatile range of clothing. They have an insane amount of different styles for each product, like sports bras, you have your leggings and you have your shorts. They also do like really cute crops as well, which I am obsessed with. I actually recently joined a new gym, and at this new gym, I've been seeing a lot of girlies walking around with this logo on their shorts, and I'd be like, I gotta cop that. So I did. But I thought I'd show you guys because I'm super excited about these pieces. So first up, we have this halter neck peach bra. This is an extra small. It is very nice, very compact. The quality is amazing. It's also doing the most, you know? it's doing a good job at making my lack of boob look somewhat voluptuous, you know what I mean? The only thing I will say, I wasn't expecting the color to be like this bright. I would have preferred if it was just a little bit more toned down, but that's just me. I do like the color nonetheless. It's just not something I would usually wear or go for. As for the pants are... Shh. As for the shorts, I really love these shorts. They are super cute. I love the color. The scrunch bum is doing the most. This is actually what made me want to try out this brand, because their scrunch bum shorts look absolutely mint on their models. So I thought, you know, I'd give them a go. I'd try them out for you guys, and I can tell you right now, they are definitely Chloe approved. Yeah, super soft, super comfy. They're very tight fitted, very snug. There's no like loose fabric. It's all just perfect, honestly. I want to get these shorts in every single color already. This is the next fit. This is also the one I think I'm going to wear today because it's so cute. I absolutely love it. These are the V-back scrunch bum pants, and I think we can tell why. Look at this beautiful V shape down at the back. It really elongates your back and makes everything look so flattering. And then there's this like backless cropped sports bra, sports tee type moment, but like how nice. The back is the entire moment of this fit. Like I am so obsessed. So this is definitely the one that I'm gonna wear today. I can't get over the way that this fits, the way that this looks, like with the open back, the V shape down the back. It's super flattering, and yeah, I would highly recommend this fit for any girly who wants to feel slay at the gym. Now, however, I think I am going to go ahead and go for that coffee because I need some caffeine in my life right now. Also, sad thing, I don't even have any pre-workout. I need to go and get myself like a can of Oxy Shred or something from 7-Eleven before I go. So because I'm working arms today, I think all I'll need is my gym towel, my AirPods, my handbag, and my gym fob, obviously. So I don't really need to pack anything. I do think back and buys is the way it's gonna be today, honestly. And then tomorrow's legs, so yeah.
And then that was it.
Easier said than done. Easier said than done.
We stopped off at Costco. Bella's went in because we don't actually have a membership, so I decided to stay in the car and watch Heartbreak High because I just started the second season. But yeah, just stopping off at Costco to get some beef jerky and biltong because apparently they're really high in protein, really easy high protein snacks, and quite frankly I love biltong and I love jerky, so I'm not complaining. My camera died, so I'm now going to be filming the rest of this video on my phone, which might even be better quality. I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty much this video. That's basically kind of what my gym routine looks like all the time. Today I obviously did back and buys with Nikki, which was really enjoyable. I absolutely loved training with her. I love training with her every time because she used to be a PT, so she really knows her shit, and I need to kind of like gauge my capabilities, and yeah, she makes me feel really good about myself too, so very grateful for her. So I tested out the Keep That Pump fit at the gym today, and can I just say, no complaints. Very comfortable. I felt very confident. Yeah, Nick loves the fit too, which means a lot because she's a baddie. So yeah, love the back. However, I would recommend not having like, I don't know, a high-waisted thong, just because like it could like poke out the back sometimes. So really like push her down low if you're gonna wear a thong or something like that. So yeah, another successful gym day. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing legs. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, gym content, please let me know in the comments and I can do more gym routines for you guys if you'd like, or more get ready with me's progress videos, literally whatever. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, all the above, and I'll see you next time. I love you guys so much. Bye.